Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download your Facebook app in your mobile. So in Android mobile you can just go to your Play Store, and for iOS you can just go to your App Store. I am using an Android phone, so I'll just go to Play Store, and on the top you can see search bar. You have to click Facebook here and click on search. So you can see here 125 million reviews. Out of 5 people have given Facebook 4 star, and you can see 5 billions plus downloads. Huge amount of people use Facebook these days. So on top you can see here install button. You can just click on install. So basically Facebook has won the trust of billions of people. Facebook is a social media app. You can just connect to your friends, your families, your relatives, and just talk with them, which is free of cost. We can talk here, we can set business meetings on Facebook also. Facebook is a widely trusted app these days. So yeah, Facebook is downloaded on your mobile, which could be on your home screen. You can just click on open. So yeah, now Facebook is downloaded. You can just enter your email, or you can just create a new Facebook account for further process. And if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.